Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
So this is the new chapter. Okay. Locomotion and movement. I guess this is. Let me see your syllabus first. Yes, in your syllabus, this is the. Oh, this is not in your syllabus. Um. Okay. Okay. This is not in your syllabus. Okay. Let me. Sorry. I thought this is 3 years diploma, right? 3 years. This chapter is for 2 years. Okay. Just give me a second. Teresa Sham, you're trying to share content. Just don't share content. I'm declining it again. Again, you're sending the request. Just don't, because at one time, only one person can share, and there is no point of you people sharing content. Okay, so there is a chapter that is one chapter is there. That is third chapter is biomolecules. If you have seen your what to say. Again, someone Binam Tayeng requested to annotate the shared content. Don't do that. Don't press anything else. So that biomolecules and one chapter is there about digestion. Okay. So okay. So this chapter that I have included both the chapters. Okay. Uh, we will start a little bit about digestion today. Start a little bit about digestion today. That is the chapter fifth one in your syllabus. The fifth one, fifth chapter in your syllabus. So what is digestion? What is digestion? What do you mean by digestion? You know what is digestion? In simple words, not the scientific definitions and all. Just in simple terms, do you know what is digestion? What is the like significance of digestion? What will happen if there is no digestion? That is known as the significance, right? So what is the significance of digestion? So why is digestion very needed or essential or like very much needed? So why is it?
Gives us,
Yes,
it gives us
it gives us
energy. from the
Energy.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes, in a sense, energy. Okay, because how energy? Because like not only energy. Okay, it is not essential for only energy, but then like digestion, digest when you take in food, right? When you take in food, so that food needs to be digested. The food that you like in your breakfast, you took something in your lunch, you will again take something. And it like juice, you take juice and not only like rice and stuff like that, liquid stuff also. So whenever you eat something that needs to be digested. Digested means several enzymes and several what to say, those glands and enzymes, all those will act together and they will try to digest the food. And if there is no digestion, like the food will not be digested, then you will not survive. Okay, so if the food is not digested, you will not survive because digestion is very essential because when the food is digested, we get different like essential materials out of it. Like the energy also we get from the food which we eat, we get the energy. Yes, okay, but like your body mass, I'm talking about, not the what to say uh, energy to not I'm not talking about the ATPs. Okay, I'm not talking about ATPs, but I'm talking about your body strength and your physique. So that kind of energy also comes from the food which we eat. That is why it is very essential to maintain a very good diet. Diet means maintain a very good what to say like chart to maintain a very good, like morning you have to eat such and such, afternoon like this, and in the evening or at night uh, you should eat very less or very light meal. But the most like mistake we people make is that morning we eat very lightly breakfast. Most of you skip breakfast. Even I skip breakfast sometimes. Sometimes means most of the times. So morning we skip breakfast. Lunch we stay at college and our own job place, workplace. So lunch also we most often we eat outside or something like that or light meal. But our most heaviest meal of the day is our dinner, right? At home at night, all of the parents, working parents also will come together. Everyone, brothers, siblings, everyone will come together. No college, nothing. Everyone will be at home. So the heaviest meal of the day, it is the dinner. But that is a very wrong way to live life because that is not healthy. That is very unhealthy. Uh, Actually, the thing should be that the heaviest meal or the like the quantity wise, calorie wise, everything, the heaviest meal should be the morning. That is the breakfast. Okay, the heaviest one should be the breakfast. Then the lighter than the breakfast should be your lunch, and in the dinner, during dinner, it should be the lightest. Okay, and uh, dinner also we should not eat at night. We should be eating dinner at the evening, like before 6 or 7. But for us people, we eat our dinner like at 10, 11, 12. Right. Most of people take their dinner at like 10 or 11. That is a very bad thing to follow because, see, for digestion to take place, for digestion to take place, digestion will take place no matter what. Okay, but one thing is that if you work, like if you're eating something and if you're like for example, I'm just giving you an example of if you're eating your lunch, if you're taking your lunch, rice, chicken and whatever you're eating, taking your lunch, right? So after taking your lunch, if you go to sleep, the digestion process, it will take place very slow, it will take place very slowly, and you tend to get more fat, uh, what to say, deposited in your bodies. Okay, Venom time, please mute yourself. Venom. Okay, so you tend to deposit fat in your body, but after lunch, like wait for some time. And if you go for a walk, or if you do something like in your home only, if you like move from one place to another, or if you do something that is not so much physically exhausting, but then it is a little bit physical exercise kind of thing, if you do that, then your food will be digested very fast, and you will tend to deposit less fat. You will not become obese or fat. Okay, so that is the reason why at the night it is advised to take light meal, and later at the night, like in 10, 11, 9, 10, 11, no, it is advised not to take anything. The dinner, it should be ended by 7, at least 7. It's advised to be 6, but then okay, it's 7, but not after that, because if it is a very bad habit if you eat your dinner and then directly go to the bed, because then what happens, the digestion, it does not work properly, and that is the reason why the fat, it gets deposited on in your bodies, and you suffer from all those acidities, gas problems, and everything. Okay, so what I mean to say is that digestion, it plays a very very important role. Okay, so in before that, in your syllabus, this digestive system and biomolecules, it is the last chapter. Okay, I think we have completed the first chapter, that is animal kingdom is completed. Then structural organization in animals is also completed. Cell cycle and cell division is completed. Then breathing and exchange of gases is completed. Body fluids and circulation is completed. Only biomolecules and digestion is left. So I'm combining these two chapters into one PDF. I'll give it at the end of when I finish the whole thing. So I will be taking it with time and discussing this, because this is the last chapter. And after completing this chapter, we will have to any if you guys have any doubts from any other chapters that we can discuss, or else I'll be taking tests, sudden tests, all those MCQs or question answers, everything, and that will be so. Just keep on studying, okay? Whatever we finished. If you have doubts, just come up with doubts. But all those things, they will be question, and if I take test in like online modes and stuff like that, all those, it will be what to say, mm, included, your performance, it will be included in the internal assessment marks. So be very sincere and be very uh, attentive in the class also, and keep on studying. Because our syllabus is almost done. Only this portion is there. This this one. This portion is there. Other, almost it is done. Okay, so we'll get to the topic, that is digestion. So what digestion? Without digestion, it is, even though it does not like it is not a very like vital organs. We have studied about vital organs, right? Vital organs, those are heart and brain and everything. So without those organs, we cannot survive. But digestive system is entirely, this is a system without which we cannot survive. You will not die instantly. Obviously, you will not die like within a second, but your body will show like several other symptoms and several other problems. Okay, like in your stomach, liver, and everything in your body, even the water osmolarity of your body, and everything will be water disrupted. Okay, everything will be like will be chaotic, and everything will be a problem. So whenever you will eat food, you will feel like you will not feel good. Your head will like, you'll feel like you'll fall down. All those migraines and everything, all those will occur because of the problems. Okay, so digestive system is a very essential system in your body, and without the digestive system, no food will get digested, and you will not survive. Okay, and no energy will, you will not get any energy, because why will you not get any energy? Because you will not get any food. No food will be like, you cannot eat any food, because if you eat the food and it is not digested, where do you think it will go? Right? It has to stay inside your body, and inside that small body, how much food you can eat? uh, like put inside. No. So without digestion, everything will be disrupted. Everything will become chaotic inside the body. So digestion, it generally means what happens in digestion is that the food, like you're eating the rice or roti, right? You're eating bread, rice, roti, whatever it is, the solid food, right? So that food, it breaks down. Okay, during the process of digestion, that food it breaks down, and then the whatever that is essential from that food, that is the protein part, the fat part, the everything. Okay, carbohydrate part. So all those parts will be taken by your body, and the extra, what to say, the part that is not essential, that will be like moved out of the body. Okay, so whenever you eat, like in the morning, you took breakfast like bread, maybe omelette, maybe juice and stuff like that, right? So all those that will be digested. Digested, what will happen? Those bread and everything. Yes, the process of chewing, you chew the food. That is also a process of digestion. Means that is also a step of digestion. Okay, you chew the food in a mouth. The food is chewed, and then it mixes with the saliva, right? The saliva, they have some enzymes. They will break down the food, and uh, then it will go to your like stomach, then liver, then bile will act, and all those digestion. We will discuss about that one in details. Okay, I'm just giving you an overview. So it will in the stomach, it will like many enzymes will again act, and then the thing, everything that you took, that will be digested, and the energy that comes from the food is taken by your body. The carbohydrate, the proteins, the minerals and vitamins, everything that is in the food, that will be taken by our body, and the remaining part, which is not essential, that will be passed out. Okay, that will be passed out, that will be thrown out of the body. Okay, that is the entire process of digestion. Okay. So this is the definition for digestion. That is the process of conversion of complex food. Complex food means the, what to say, the food that has like let's say the rice. The rice, it has carbohydrates, fats, and everything, right? So that is a complex food, the rice. And when you eat rice, then the carbohydrate and everything, it will be converted, right? It will be converted into simpler forms, and then it will be broken down by our teeth, and it will be converted into some simpler forms like glucose and sugar, right? That is why rice, after chewing rice for some time, you will get a sweet taste. You tend to get a sweet taste, right? But generally, rice is not sweet. Normal rice, I'm not talking about those puddings and all, but normal rice, the white rice, it is not sweet. Okay, but when you take rice in your mouth and chew for a certain amount of time, you feel sweetness. That is because the carbohydrate present in the rice. The carbohydrate present in the rice, it is converted into sugar when it mixes with our saliva. Okay, the carbohydrate in the rice, when it mixes with the saliva, it is uh, converted into sugar or glucose, sugar, and that is where you get that sweetness from. Okay, that is the process of digestion. So that is the simpler forms. Okay, there is sugar and glucose and sugar, all those, and then it takes place and it is carried out by various mechanical process. Mechanical process will involve chewing. Okay, mechanical process will involve chewing, and then what to say, and the biochemical process. All those biochemical processes, all those chemicals are involved. Enzymes. Okay, enzymes. There have been many enzymes. We will study about that too. Now, the digestive system, in humans, it consists of the alimentary canal and associated glands. So, what is the alimentary canal? Alimentary canal is this one. Okay, this is the alimentary canal. This long pipe from starting from the mouth to the stomach to the end. Okay, that is the alimentary canal and the associated glands. The glands will be, what will be the glands? It will be the stomach. Okay, stomach. Then there are different segments of the stomach. I'll show you this one. Okay, these are the glands. Okay, the salivary glands, the liver, pancreas, all those. And this one is the alimentary canal. This pipe start. We start from here. This pipe comes. This is the esophagus. This long uh, pipe is known as the esophagus. This one pronounced as esophagus. Okay, esophagus. Then the stomach. Then comes the intestines. Right. This is the intestines. Then rectum, and this, then anus. Okay, and it comes out from there. And the glands, they are salivary glands will be in the mouth. So they are of like different types. Then the liver also plays a very important role in digestion that we will also discuss. And then the pancreas. Okay, pancreas. This is the pancreas. This one. This diagram, I have put this diagram because then we can figure out where the exact location of those glands and the esophagus and everything is. Okay, so today we will discuss a little bit about the alimentary canal. Okay, this is about the alimentary canal. You can give your attendance, everyone. If you have not given yet, don't give it multiple times, just once if you have not given it. Okay. So alimentary canal, it starts in the mouth. Okay, it starts in the mouth and ends in the anus. I have already mentioned it comes through here, and goes to the stomach and then like this. Then these are the intestine. This one is the large, this is the small intestine, and then it comes out of the anus. Okay, this is the alimentary canal. The whole food pipe starting from the mouth to the bottom. Okay, so that is the alimentary canal. So it starts from your mouth. Okay, mouth, it is known as buccal cavity. Buccal cavity or oral cavity. Generally, we call it as buccal cavity. Okay, or oral cavity also sometimes it is said. But the more used term it is the buccal cavity. And inside your mouth, what is there? There is teeth and the tongue is there. All of you know because we like mouth. All of you have mouth, right? So you know what is inside your mouth. That is the teeth and tongue. So this tongue, on top of your tongue, if you see your tongue, there are some, what is the structure can I call? Like hair-like structures, right, in your tongue. Not exactly hair-like, but little bit bigger. Those are the taste buds. Okay, in your tongue, if you see, there are small, like structures on top of your tongue. Those are the taste buds. Okay, and the teeth, how many teeth do you have? You people might have less, but a normal, a general, like a grown-up adult has how many teeth? You know, obviously you should know. How many teeth does a grown-up adult have? Hmm?
32.
32, yes. But not most, like 50% people, they have only 28 teeth. Okay, till their death, those wisdom teeth we call that four teeth at the end, those four teeth they do not come out for like many people. Okay, but
32.
yes, 32. If they come from those wisdom teeth, then it will be 32. But generally, not generally, but for most people, that wisdom teeth do not come out in their entire lifetime. Okay, so then they will have only uh, 28. Okay, but total number of teeth is 32. It should be 32.
32.
Yes. But even if those wisdom teeth is not there, like those end teeth, no, even if it is not there, then also it is fine. It will not create any problem. But uh, yes, but it should come out, and for people it does not come out. For me, it is there. For like my elder sisters also, it is not there. Like for my one elder sister, it is not there. So does not depend upon the age, but like you people, some might, most of you might not have that. You might have it, I don't know, but like it comes out at a later stage of your life, but then for some people it does not come out ever. So that is known as a wisdom teeth. Like four teeth. We have a saying, no, that if you have those teeth, then you will be more wise. That is a completely false notion. But then there is a saying. So that there is a four teeth at the back, which is not a compulsory, it might not occur. And then the rest there are 28. Okay, there is total of 32 teeth. Okay, and there are four types of teeth. Four types of teeth, that is incisor. Incisor is the first one, first two, down two, front two. Okay, incisor. Then there is canine. Those what to say? Those very sharp teeth at the side of your incisor. Incisor. That is the canine. Then there is premolar. Then molar. Molar is the end teeth, those wisdom teeth, and before that all those teeth are molars. Okay, premolars and molars. So there are four types of teeth. That is incisor, canine, premolar, and molar. And this milk teeth we are talking about, milk teeth are those teeth that like when you're a child and you after like you're a few months old, teeth comes out, right? Your teeth comes out, and those teeth are not the teeth now you people are having, right? So when you're a child, after like crossing a certain age, like maybe a few months, teeth comes out, and at the age of like 3, 4, 5, those teeth they falls. Okay, and you get new teeth. The teeth that comes out first, that is that after birth, that is known as the milk teeth. Okay, because at that milk, why milk teeth? Because at that stage of life, like that months, the child or the babies, they cannot eat anything much like anything else than milk. Okay, in the initial stage. Later on, they can eat some puddings and stuff like that. But at like for a few months, they can drink only milk. That is why it is known as milk teeth. Okay, and yeah, there are four types of teeth. So mouth, it is the starting, it is the beginning of the alimentary canal. Okay, it is the beginning of the alimentary canal. Okay, what is the time? I think you'll have your next class. It's time for your next class. Okay, so we will discuss about pharynx, stomach, some small intestine, large intestine, then associated glands. Those glands associated with digestion that we will discuss, and the process of digestion also we will discuss. Okay, that is next class. So since it's time for your next class, I'll end today's class. Okay, I hope everyone has given your attendance. And just go through this portion once at home. Go through once at home the process of digestion. The book that I gave you, no, that the ebook. You'll have everything in that ebook only. Okay, so just go through that home once. It will be easy for you to understand. Okay, I mean digestion is very easy, but then for some people it might be a bit hard. Okay, so thank you. Thank you.